Hey everyone, welcome back to Tanvi Code Studio. In this video, we are building a fun and interactive whack-a-mole game using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you are a beginner looking for a creative project to level up your web dev skills, you are going to love this. We'll start with a clean layout. Add a 30-second countdown timer, a score counter, and even a theme switcher to toggle between light and dark mode. You will learn how to randomly display modes, detect clicks to update scores, and make everything smooth with neat transitions. Whether you are a beginner or just want to create something cool and interactive, this one's for you. So grab your code editor and let's start whacking some moles together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the project. Let's code. Let's start with the HTML part, where we build the structure of our game. We have created a main container called game container which holds everything: the title, theme toggle, score and timer, display, and the grid of holes and the start game button. Each hole is a simple div and we are giving them unique IDs so we can control them individually in JavaScript. The layout is simple but gives us complete control over the game board. Now let's jump into the CSS. Here we define two themes, a light and a dark theme. We use CSS variables to make switching between themes super easy. The game container is styled with padding, border radius, and shadows to give it a soft card-like look. We have added fun colors for the score and time and made the grid responsive with clean spacing. The mole is shown as an emoji using a background image. When the mole appears, it's placed inside a hole and styled to sit neatly in the center. We also implemented a theme toggle switch styled using a classic slider design which works smoothly with our CSS variables to change the theme. Time to bring the game to life with JavaScript. We start by selecting all the elements we need: hold, score, display, timer, and the start button. Then we create a random hole function that randomly picks a hole and insert the mole emoji. When the user clicks on the mole, their score increases and the mole disappears. We check this using a simple condition to avoid extra clicks. In the start game function, we reset the score and time, then we start two timers, one for the countdown and one for showing the mole at random intervals. When the timer reaches 0, we stop both timers and show an alert with the final score and a motivational message. We also added functionality to remember the theme preference. When user revisit the game, it loads the last selected theme using local storage. A small detail, but it adds a nice user experience touch. And that's it. Our Whack-A-Mole game is now fully functional with interactive features, light and dark mode, score tracking, and a countdown timer. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Tanvi Code Studio for more fun coding tutorials. The link to the full source code is in the description.